I can't find my glasses. Oh, I just remembered that my glasses are by the table. Wait for me. Now, yes. Wait, I said bye or bye? They have the same sound. I say bye because we are indicating a place. Now we can start. Hello for my students, and tell me, what about, should you accept an invitation or accept one? Or what about, do you eat dessert or dessert after your meal? Well, the topic for today is confusing words. English is full of confusing words, but with this simple explanation you can master using these confusing English words. You can see some words in English cause trouble for speakers and writers because these words share a similar pronunciation, meaning, or spelling with another word. These words are called commonly confused words. For example, read aloud the following sentences containing the commonly confused words. We have new and new. Let's see it. I like her new sweater. And we have, I knew she would wear that sweater today. So these words may sound like spoken, but they carry entirely different uses and meanings. New is an adjective that describes the sweater, and new is the past tense of the verb to know, right? So what happened? New and new are just two words that can be confusing. There are more. So let's see some confusing words. First, we have right and right. So we know that right is an adjective. It means proper or correct. It also means the opposite of left. For example, she practices the right form. And right is a verb. It means to communicate on a paper. For example, we can say, after the team members vote, I will write down the scores. Then we have affect and effect. With these two words, the main difference is grammatical. Also, they are pronounced slightly differently. Usually, affect is a verb and effect is a noun. And they are used when we are talking about the results or consequences of particular actions. Next, we have there and there. As you know, there is a number of a place which we use it to talk about where something is. And there is a possessive pronoun that we use to talk about something that belongs to a group of people. For example, we can say, he has lived there for 20 years. And we can say, they love there. Remember that we can find confusing words, but in its grammar. Not when we are listening to it. I mean that they are written differently, but we tend to confuse them. Let's see some words. We have borrow and, as you know, lend. Exactly. So to borrow means to receive something as a loan, and to lend, it means to give something as a loan or lending. Some examples could be, oh, can I borrow your car? And the other people say, sorry, I can't lend to you my car today. Well, here I will show you a list of these confusing words and a tip to learn how to use or recognize them when we are listening or saying these words is that we have to pay attention to the context. We must know the meaning of each of them and study them. Guys, an example. If I say I order an ice cream for dessert after my main course, what happens? Well, it is obvious that we are referring to the dessert of the meal, right? And not the dessert, the dry place, of course, because we talk about how I order an ice cream. We can't order the dessert, the place. Or if I say I visit a desert while I was in Saudi Arabia, clearly I am referring to the place that is called desert. It is impossible for us to visit a full desert. That's impossible. Guys, we are going to do this short activity, and it says complete the following sentences. You have to choose the correct option. And the first is my little cousin turns 2 years old tomorrow. What do you think? Exactly, it is the third option. And the second one, I would rather eat a slice of chocolate cake, exactly, than eat a chocolate muffin. And the last one, it is your mother called this morning to talk about the party. Exactly, guys, it is the first one. Well, and to finish, I will leave a link here below so you can practice with some sentences. You can put your name, and this will be a way to evaluate today's topic. And guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this lesson, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.